guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making a beginner friendly video on how I achieve this protective style low ponytail. So guys, if you want to see a very detailed and beginner friendly video tutorial on how I achieve this protective style low ponytail, guys, keep watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share. Follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat and Twitter, guys. Also subscribe to my channel. So guys, without wasting any of your time, let's get started. So guys, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to side part my hair to the left. Guys. As you guys can see, my natural hair, my hair got ripped off due to I was doing too much on it recently, guys. So guys, after that, I'll go ahead to comb out my natural hair, make use of a hair comb. Okay. So guys, after combing out my hair, making use of a spray bottle filled with water, I'm going to go ahead to spray a generous amount of water onto my natural hair in order to moisten it, okay? So guys, now I'll be going in with this super hard gel, okay? I'll be applying some hair gel onto my natural hair, okay? In order to slick it and lay it properly. So guys, now I'm applying the hair gel on my hair, guys. Okay, I'm applying a generous amount of it, guys. You just need to apply some hair gel. You don't need to make use of as much gel as I'm using. Okay, guys. And also feel free to make use of any hair gel you have in order to achieve this hairstyle. So guys, I'm going to applying the hair gel on every part of my hair, okay? So guys, I made use of two different type of gel. Okay, the second one I use, I forgot to show it to you guys. Okay, so guys, after that, I'll go ahead to brush my hair in order to slick it and lay it properly. Okay. And so guys, after brushing off my hair, okay, I'm just going to grab it, okay, making use of a ponytail holder. I'm going to go ahead to put my natural hair in a low ponytail bun, okay. So guys, after that, I'll go ahead to apply more hair gel, okay, to my hair, to my natural hair, to the back of my hair in order to slick it and lay it properly. So guys, I'm going to allow my hair to dry, or the hair gel to dry and slick properly, okay. I'm going to tie some hair scarf, okay. Then I'll go ahead to apply or do my makeup. Okay guys, after doing my makeup, then I'll be back so that we can finish up the hairstyle, okay. And so guys, yes, I'm back, okay, and then I'll be making use of this synthetic hair extension or wave, okay. So guys, just need to double it like that, okay, then place it on your bun, okay, so because we are making a protective style low ponytail, guys, I'm going to make use of the end, okay, go around and roll it on the bun in order to secure it. Making use of a bobby pin, I pinned it down, okay. So guys, after that, I'll go ahead to roll the remaining part of the hair extension, okay, on top of my bun, okay. So guys, you have to make sure that you roll it tightly, okay. And so guys, when I'm through, I'll just take a piece of the hair, okay, at the end, roll it, then secure it using bobby pin. And so guys, now I'm going in with the second hair extension or wave. I'm also going to do the same thing, okay, by rolling the hair extension on top of my bun and then securing it, making use of a bobby pin. So guys, this is a very easy and simple hairstyle, okay. I usually do instead of carrying my natural hair like that, okay. So guys, now I'll go ahead to place or attach the third hair, okay, hair extension or weave, the third weave, and then we are simply going to do the same thing. So guys, I pinned it down making use of a bobby pin. So guys, I noticed that the three hair or waves are not enough for me. I realized that it's not enough. Because I went ahead to add a fourth one, okay, and then I pretty much did the same thing by rolling it all over the bun, okay, in order to achieve the protective style low ponytail. And so guys, after rolling it, okay, I'm going to grab the remaining hair, okay, then use it to go around my ponytail, guys, in order to secure it. And then making use of a bobby pin or bobby pins, I secured it, okay guys, properly. And so guys, after securing it, okay, I just try in order to straighten out the hair, okay, and also in order to lay it properly. Okay, that is what I did. Okay, I try to stretch out the hair, okay, and also lay it properly. And so guys, yes, that is pretty much it on how I achieve this protective style low ponytail. So guys, also don't worry, I actually filmed a tutorial on my makeup look, guys, on how I achieve these smoky eyes and nude lips, okay guys. So guys, thank you so much guys for watching this protective style low ponytail. Please don't forget to like my video, comment, share. Follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. Bye-bye.